Stop squinting and scrolling, because I'm about to show you a simple trick to view the pages side by side in Word, boosting your productivity instantly. First, open the Microsoft Word document you want to work with, then navigate to the View tab in the Word ribbon at the top of your screen. It's usually located between Layout and References. Now, look for the Side-to-Side button within the page movement group. It might be grouped with vertical. If you haven't used it before, click on Side to Side to change the view. You'll notice that Word automatically adjusts the view to display the pages next to each other. The document will switch to horizontal scrolling, allowing you to easily scroll through both pages simultaneously using the scroll bar at the bottom. To revert back to the standard vertical scrolling view, simply return to the View tab and click the vertical button. This will bring your document back to its original single-page display. Bonus tip: this feature is fantastic for comparing to entirely different documents. Just open both files and arrange them side by side on your screen by dragging each window to the edge of your desktop. And that's it. A quick and easy way to enhance your document comparison and boost your productivity in Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Word tips and tricks.